Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am making a roast chicken. I love doing these because you can have so much fun cooking it. You can always add in like whatever vegetable you want. And so this is what we're gonna make today. And I also am gonna show you my secret tip on how to get a juicy chicken, not dry, juicy chicken. So right now I'm just prepping. I am cutting up carrots and potatoes because I'm gonna put all of these things beside my chicken. You can use whatever you want to use, whatever vegetable you want to use. I always like to use potatoes and carrots. Right here I have a lemon, and this is such a great way to add some zest, give the vegetable some flavor. It's always good to prep ahead when making a roast chicken because there can be so much cutting involved with the vegetables. So I just like to cut them ahead of time, and then when I'm ready to cook my chicken, all I have to do is put the vegetables beside the chicken and then toss it in the oven. So make sure to prep beforehand. Have you ever tried Brussels sprouts baked with balsamic glaze on it? It is so amazing, and this is literally the only way I can eat Brussels sprouts because other than that, you won't catch me eating them. So here are all the vegetables that I'm going to use for my delicious chicken. Here is our bird. So I had my chicken soaking in buttermilk. Now, buttermilk is what makes the chicken stay juicy. So you want to put buttermilk and salt. You want to put it in a plastic bag, put your chicken in there, and then let it sit in that mixture for like a day or just a few hours before you're cooking it. I wouldn't recommend going over a day or longer than a day, just because you don't want the chicken to get old. So this is a really good tip. Buttermilk for juiciness, so you can cook your chicken in the oven and not have it dry but juicy through and through. So buttermilk is the key here. And so all I'm doing is putting my potatoes, because I always say it with a B, in on the side of the chicken. I'm doing carrots on the side. And I just love this recipe. I just love making these chickens because I just love the color and the texture from the chicken with the vegetables. Like, it's just always so pretty. So as you can see, I stuffed celery inside the chicken. I'm stuffing some onions inside to give the inside flavor. You can't forget about the inside, guys. Make sure you put something in there like garlic, just something flavorful for the inside. I'm also putting lemon in the inside and around because lemon makes it just taste good and adds a little zing or zazz to it. And look at the color already, guys. It's already so beautiful, and I'm not even done yet. I didn't even put any seasoning on there. So let's add some butter, and butter is good to help the vegetables to stay yummy and not dried up. Have you ever seen a dried potato in the oven? Okay, yeah, so that's why you want to put butter around it. This is garlic. Garlic, I love cooking with garlic. It makes everything taste good. Throw that around. This is kind of a recipe where you can just put whatever kind of flavor you like, use it. Don't be scared to just copy what I have going on. Use what you want to make. If you like cilantro, use cilantro. If you like garlic, use garlic. If you don't like lemon, don't use the lemon. So also, whatever kind of seasoning you like here is key too. I am a cook where I literally come up with recipes on the spot, or if I see a recipe in a book and I'm like, okay, cool, I got the gist, but I'm gonna add my own flavor to it. So that's why, I don't really have, you don't have to follow what I'm doing here. Just all I recommend is prepping before and then adding the buttermilk for flavorness. Now, this is turmeric, and turmeric, at the end of this clip, you're going to see that the turmeric made everything a little bit yellowy. So that's why, because turmeric stains everything. So just add your seasonings everywhere, on the chicken, on the vegetables. It's gonna be a whole good delicious meal. Don't forget to add in the oil because you don't want things to get dry. The oven makes things dry. And that's about it, guys. That's really all you have to do. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Let me know how your roast chicken came out and leave comments below if you have any tips or tricks. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.